What goes better with a lazy weekend morning than doing a ton of work to make waffles? Waffles are a breakfast staple, but they're also quickly growing in popularity as a savory option, so I think now's the right time to revitalize the truest form of the waffle. No more quick pancake mix in a waffle iron. Let's do a true Belgian waffle, just like the Italian-American chef Emeril Lagasse himself makes. And dare I say, bam. Alright, let's make some batter, which is similar to, but crucially different from pancake batter. A true Belgian waffle is not one-to-one with pancakes, and there will be a difference worth experiencing. Just like if you click subscribe on this exact YouTube channel, the experience is truly sensational and unique. Shameless plug aside, let's sift 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch or 2 of salt into a large bowl. In another bowl, let's sternly encourage 2 tablespoons of sugar with 4 yolks, not the whites, until the sugar is completely dissolved and the eggs have turned a pale yellow. Close enough. Next, we're going to add a splash of vanilla extract, 2 cups of whole milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter, all in this vessel, which is, as I so often miscalculate, too small for what I'm trying to do. Fantastic work. Now, let's get that into the dry stuff so we can very carefully and minimally fold this in. We don't want to overmix. Once you can't see any more flour, we're done. Just back off. Okay, let's make use of those egg whites now, which are the secret weapon of a fluffy waffle, and the key difference between a true Belgian waffle and a pancake. Looking at you, continental breakfast, I'm onto your sick and twisted game. Lightly discipline the egg whites with an electric mixer on high speed until you get some soft peaks. Preheat your tiny little baby waffle iron you snatched up as a prize for a white elephant party a few Christmases ago, which doesn't really do the job to its full ability. But that's okay, it was a gift and I don't have to buy a waffle maker now. Now, with the precision of a surgeon, it's time to carefully drop the egg whites into the wet ingredients and begin gently folding until it's literally just barely incorporated. If you still see little bumpuses of egg white, you're in the right zone. Alright, now it's time to get to the cookery part. Grease lightening that waffle iron, lay down a bed of batter and cook until it's just golden brown and crispy on all sides. We'll just give this a little check and ow! That's hot. After a mere 17 hours, you can serve up your Belgian waffles the traditional way with syrup, fruit, butter, and or whipped cream if you're into the Steve Jobs IHOP way of life, or you can get funky with such hits as fried chicken and waffles with hot syrup and Tabasco sauce. Fried chicken and waffles with hot syrup and Tabasco sauce. Brownie waffle. I've got a brownie waffle in my hand. Crispy potato waffles. I use my waffle line to cook up potatoes, make them wait so crispy, and I like to get the flavor. Falafel waffle. Let me get that falafel waffle. Let me get that falafel waffle. Let me get that falafel waffle. And so much more. Yours today for only 5 easy payments of $19.99 plus shipping and handling. I like sour cream and chives in my waffles. Look, waffles mean endless possibilities, which, by the way, is something you don't strictly have if you were to check out our other videos, but we do have a lot of them, so that's basically the next best thing, isn't it? Waffle House, more like Waffle House, am I right? Burn.